How do I install and run the browser-based SPARKvue Progressive Web App, or PWA, locally to use it offline? First, navigate to sparkvue.pasco.com in a compatible browser. As long as you're online, you can use SPARKvue here in your browser without ever installing it locally. However, if you'd like to use it offline or launch it more like a traditional app, click the Install icon or Open in App icon in your browser's address bar and select Install. A shortcut to the installed SPARKvue PWA is now available on your computer. When you launch the PWA from this shortcut, it will open in its own window. Though this may now appear more like a traditional app, it's really just running in a modified browser window, as some browser features in the title bar reveal. We recommend connecting to the internet occasionally to keep the installed SPARKvue PWA up to date.